Hello and welcome. This is Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and I'm going to show you these vehicles here, which Deddle RV. Now, I've got video of them from last year, and this company comes from China, and these are Chinese vehicles which are now available in Europe and are being imported by La Marca from Landsberg am Lech in Bavaria, Germany. And I believed, actually, I was talking to the product designer from Deddle last year on the campsite, and I believe that there would be no chance of these things coming, because he seemed to think that the Chinese market was big enough for them, and they can't really, they're going to go nowhere near to satisfying the demand in China. Anyway, they're now here and they can be purchased from them. Now, there's been queues of people here trying to get in to see these vehicles. Now, these are, you can see they've all got numbers on them, and they did actually drive here 13,200 kilometers. What a journey! Fantastic. Now, but it's got some really odd things about them. It says it's got this off-grid system, amazing amount of electricity, screens inside, this type of thing. But it's also got something which is really odd. The kitchen is outside. Anyway, look at that. Kind of right. You've got queues here, 2 to 4 in a group. It's closed now. Can't get in. Which I'm not surprising. It's somebody's vehicle. On the other hand, there's also, I need to point out, some Chinese campervans here as well. Again, from La Marca Mobility, Landsberg am Lech. And there are those who are a little bit concerned about the way this is going, that this may stop being cheap Chinese imports. These vehicles are not cheap, and in China it was about 180,000, I think, for these ones in China. So here it's going to be even more. And this thing here, Deddle carbonic liner 78, we haven't got the price here. That's about the price, but I'll tell you what it is. It's around 500,000. So these ones are not a threat to European producers, but I've also been talking to people who've suggested that the campervans could be. But in my opinion, the campervans are unlikely to be, because in my opinion, the design inside is really bad. Anyway, I've done a video on that. You can see what it looked like inside. I'll give you links to what these ones look like inside, and thanks for watching.